It is Friday, and you know what that means? Christmas is just 2 days away, and that
Hard to
also means,
believe.
I know, right? This is the last day of this year's Pictures with Santa segment. All right, we're gonna kick it off with Allie and Henry Robbins from Pittsburgh. Allie is 5, and Henry is 3. Aww.
Up next, we've got the Vitts. Gia and Jade are from Radley, Kansas. Gia's 4, and Jade is 2.
And then we have the Scott family from Pittsburgh. Dakin is 5. His twin brothers, Jennings and Briar, are 5 months old. They look a little concerned there.
They do. They're looking at each other like, should we trust this guy? I'm not sure about this guy
Well,
here.
if brother's here, it's okay.
Right, exactly. Well, Anavir Wenzel is next. Anavir is from Pittsburgh, and she is 4 years old, getting her photo there with Santa.
Now look at that big cheese. She knows Santa's just A-okay. And here is Aspen Sexton from Walnut, Kansas. 3 years old for Aspen. Aw.
All right, and we've got a party on our hands with the O'Briens and the Krotz. Josh and Amelia O'Brien are 6. Evie Krotz is 5, and Ann Krotz is 2. So a big group there for Santa.
All right, up next is McKenna McReynolds. She's from Pittsburgh and is 5 years old.
And wrapping up our Pictures with Santa segment this year is Aiden Yoakum and Creed Boyd. Aiden is 9 and Creed is 1. Both of them looking like they're having a good time telling Santa what they want for Christmas.
Well, Aiden is letting Creed know that it's okay.
He's
a sick guy. He's the one that comes on Christmas Eve.
Exactly.
Grapes the cold.
Well, we want to thank all of the families who submitted pictures this year, and we're looking forward to seeing some familiar faces 1 year older when we get your pictures in 2023.
Love the segment. And don't forget, you can head over to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com to check out all the Pictures with Santa segments that we've aired all week long.
Great pictures, too.
All right, that's a look.